welcome to the video. I am really excited to share with you something that you can do with the artwork swapper. I've only seen a few people out there that have actually taken advantage of this, and I just think it's something that everybody should be doing. I'm using it in some fun ways with some of my products, and I thought you guys could really enjoy it. So this is an advanced feature, so hopefully you've already watched some of the other artwork swapper videos, because I'm not going to go through the entire process, but I am going to give you some ideas on some ways you can spice it up going into Q4. So let's go ahead and hop over into Product Personalizer and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm in Product Personalizer and I just opened up one of my products, and this is just a basic white background message card with black text. It's one of ShineOn's pre-made designs that's to my gorgeous wife from your husband. Pretty simple. And like I said, I'm going to keep this simple because I want you guys to get really creative with it. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is we're going to start with, we need to upload a background for the product, a starting point, right? So let's go down here and we're going to grab this white version of the message card. This is the base one that comes in, and we're going to load that in here, right? Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of, well, I'm going to add a new field so I can get rid of this pre-made one they always do. And what I'm going to use is image swatch. So I'm going to open that up. I'm going to go back to field 1, which is this, the text, and I'm going to get rid of it and say yes. I'm going to go back to my image swatch. What I'm going to name that is, I'm going to call it message card design. Okay, let's go with that. Default image is a purple square. That doesn't really make sense. What I'm going to add as the default image is actually, again, this same message card. So I'm going to upload that. Give it a second. So again, I just want to reiterate one thing here. I am going to give you probably the worst possible example of how this works, but while still demonstrating what it does, because I'm not trying to influence you on how to use this feature, but more bring a light to this feature so that you can then think of the creative ways that you can use it with your products. This is taking a while, but it looks like it's loaded in there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this there's my card loaded in there. I'm gonna take this, the image swatch field, and what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna stretch it to cover the whole background. So now you can see one thing. Ignore that purple square. It's not actually there. Product Personalizer sometimes carries over some old elements. See if I hit this, if it'll, there we go. So again, what you're looking at is you're like, oh, you just put the message card on top of the message card, and yeah, I did. And you're about to see why, is because I'm just setting up my default image. But now the next items on this list of fields, layers, top, we want to bring whatever we're doing to the top, and you'll see why. But the next thing is image group. Now that's might be new to you if you haven't looked at this, but let's go ahead and open image group, and it's going to say, let's add some more images, right? So look at this. You can add all these images, and what I can do is come down here to upload images, and I'm going to grab these 4. And this is the exact same message card, but just a different background color. That's the only difference with these. So these are I gotta load in. They've been uploaded, so now you can see them here. I'm gonna go pink, blue, green, and orange. And it comes with a label, so you can label each one. So as they're selecting a swatch, think of this as a t-shirt color. They can look at and pick what color message card do they want. You can choose to add prices for this. I'm gonna leave it just as it is. And I'm gonna name this color. And this is so you can actually carry this across multiple cards. So if the first one you upload is actually a PNG, so that first image I uploaded was just a PNG of the black text, you could just be swapping in colors behind it. And what you can do is you can set up all your products like that and just create an image group here and then just select this on each one. But that's good. So we've got our fields in here. We've got a name. Let's hit create. Perfect. So now we've got our image group here. Awesome. I'm going to get off the button and go to the direct field, and I'm going to save this product. So again, all I've done is the image swatch called message card design. So now what we need to do is actually go look at this product. And I need to go turn on artwork swapper on the product because I didn't turn it on, but we're gonna go find the product anyway so we can view it. So we'll do it the same time here. Just look up my product, come in here. I'm going to more actions. I'm gonna enable artwork swapper. I understand. And now I'm gonna go look at the product and let's see what we're doing here. So as you can see, it is showing me different designs that I can just pick colors of. Nothing else changes. Your saying doesn't change, your font doesn't change, but you're getting different colors. And the best part, it's all on one product. This is a great way to test stuff. You could set this up so it's the same background and they can select different sayings if you want, or different phrases. You could set it up to, instead of being my gorgeous wife, it could be my gorgeous wife, my beautiful wife, my awesome mom. I mean, you could literally have them be changing and interchanging between your different designs on one product. So you could actually focus your ads to a larger audience and allow them to customize it. It's ways to play with stuff, experiment. Maybe you put it up here and people go, I don't like the white version, I like the green version. Well, go make green ones from now on. Now you've got some data that you can go off of. I think this tool is awesome. If you're not using this feature on Artwork Swapper, you are missing out on it. It is, honestly, the people that are using it, I'm sorry if I'm giving away your secret sauce, but like, there's a lot of cool things you can do with the Product Personalizer app while using Artwork Swapper. So I highly recommend getting in and playing with all of these different fields and tools and seeing what they all do, and then think about ways that you can use this. You can do way more than just changing the background color. You could have a message card and maybe one's got a picture of an elephant and another's got a picture of a giraffe and another one's got a picture of a monkey, and you can select which animal you like. The possibilities are endless. Again, this is just a really simple setup in Product Personalizer. All you're doing is using that image swatch field to change out and actually give users swatches that they can pick from on the product page and then deliver custom designs. As long as the Artwork Swapper automation is on, when I go to buy this, if I want to buy the orange one and I hit add to cart, it's going to create the orange one as the message card and have it right here so that I know ShineOn is going to grab this image, and this image is the orange message card. So it just got passed through. That was super easy to create something that is not easy to do without this. I'm getting way too excited. I need to go do some other things. So that's going to be the end of this video. But guys, please get out there and play with that, and then let me know your thoughts. Send me some messages and let me know if you think this is going to just change things for you. Have a good day.